you for staying with us for the past 1 hour. Napakabilis po ng ating oras at marami pa ho tayong dapat pag-usapan. Pero we want you to always watch for us week after week dahil alam namin na maaaring hindi itong mga sitwasyon ninyo but you can help others. At ang mahalaga po sa atin ay mapakinggan po natin ang mga magagandang salita ng ating Panginoon mula sa Bible. And of course, yan po yan ay sa ating heart-to-heart talk with Pastor Ray P. Benito. But before that, andoon ang ating heart talk with Robert and Edna. Ang topic nila po next week is about negative thinking, the enemy of success. Siguro, you have encountered failure after failure or you are a victim of failures in your life. Nako, ay hindi po magandang kalagayan yan. So, you better get out of that. And next week po, malalaman po ninyo ang mga solusyon. And ang ating mga movers with all the men out there, next week po, abangan ho natin ang the men on the move. And we want you also, men, na kayo rin po ay you will continue moving towards your success and your purpose in this life. So, muli, we are encouraging you na mag-text lang kayo. Tumawag din po kayo. We have our counselors na gusto po nilang to pray with you. And of course, alam namin na you just want to find someone, a friend, or someone that you can talk to. And at the same time, kung gusto niyo po namang ibahagi sa amin ang inyong mga karanasan sa inyong mga buhay, we have our email address. So muli, inaanyayahan ko ang lahat sa inyo na kayo po, nais po namin, you will have your turning point in your life. So from whatever situation that you are in right now, you do not know the solution or you're stuck in a problem, dito po sa Life's Turning Point, we just want to touch your lives, reach out to you, and heal your heart. This is Joy P. Benito yung nagsasabi. See you next